Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your IELTS friend, and today we're going to talk about some IELTS listening strategies that are perfect for beginners. If you're just starting out with your IELTS preparation or looking for ways to improve your score, you're in the right place. So let's dive right in. Before we get into the strategies, let's quickly go over the structure of the IELTS listening test. The test is about 30 minutes long and is divided into 4 sections. You'll listen to a variety of recordings, including conversations, lectures, and group discussions, and you'll need to answer a total of 40 questions. After the recordings, you get an extra 10 minutes to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. The key to doing well in the listening test is staying calm, focused, and using some smart strategies. And that's what we'll cover next. The first strategy is learning to predict what kind of answers you need. You'll have some time to look at the questions before each recording starts. Use that time wisely by quickly skimming through the questions and underlining keywords. These could be dates, names, or specific topics. Based on the keywords, try to predict what you'll be listening for. For example, if the question is asking for a location, think about words related to places like city, street, or building. Predicting helps you stay alert and ready to catch the answer when it comes up. Next up, remember that you don't need to understand every single word in the recording. Beginners often make the mistake of trying to catch every detail, but that can overwhelm you. Instead, focus on the keywords or important phrases that directly relate to the question. Let's say the question is about a train schedule. You don't need to worry about the entire conversation. Just focus on times, station names, or specific train numbers. This way, you can filter out unnecessary information and stay on track. Another important strategy is getting used to paraphrasing. In the IELTS listening test, the words you hear may not match exactly with the words in the questions. For example, if the question says cheap accommodation, the recording might say budget-friendly places to stay. This is why it's important to practice listening for meaning rather than exact words. The more you practice, the easier it will be to recognize when a speaker is paraphrasing and how it relates to the question you're answering. One of the most challenging parts of IELTS listening is dealing with different accents and speech speeds. The test includes a mix of British, American, and Australian accents, and sometimes speakers may talk fast or slow. As a beginner, it's crucial to get used to hearing these variations. The best way to practice is by listening to podcasts, news broadcasts, or even YouTube videos from different countries. This will help train your ear to understand different accents and make you more comfortable during the exam. Finally, here are a few quick tips to wrap up. Stay calm and focused. If you miss an answer, don't panic. Move on to the next question and keep going. Use the transfer time effectively. Double-check your answers in the 10 minutes you get at the end to transfer them to the answer sheet. Keep practicing. Consistent practice is key. The more you listen to English in different forms, the more confident you'll feel during the test. That's it for today. I hope these strategies will help you as you prepare for your IELTS listening test. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more updates on IELTS tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.